Hey there, let's be real. Most people dream of making money while doing as little as possible. And guess what? In 2025, that dream is actually possible, thanks to AI. You don't need to be a tech genius, you don't need a fancy office, and you definitely don't need a big budget. All you need is an internet connection, a laptop, and a bit of curiosity. Now, I'm not talking about get-rich-quick scams or overnight success stories. I'm talking about real, legit ways to make money where AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. These are ideas that beginners, yes, even complete beginners, can start from zero and build real income streams. So let's start with one of the easiest and most underrated ways to make money with AI right now, AI thumbnail design. Think about every time you scroll through YouTube. What makes you stop and click? It's the thumbnail, the small image that grabs your attention and makes you curious. Every YouTuber, from big creators to small ones, needs good thumbnails. And here's the secret. They'll happily pay someone to make them stand out. Now, this is where AI tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, and Photoshop AI come in. You don't have to be a designer. These tools help you create professional, eye-catching thumbnails in minutes. The best part? It's cheap to start and the demand is huge. You can easily make $50 to $200 a day designing thumbnails for creators. Some people even make more just by perfecting their style and understanding what actually works on YouTube. Here's how you start. Study what's already working. Look at viral thumbnails in your niche. Use free tools like ViewStats or 1 of 10 to find what's trending. Build your portfolio, collect your best designs, even if they're practice ones, so you have examples to show clients. Use ChatGPT to analyze styles, colors, and titles that perform best, and let it help you improve your prompts for AI-generated designs. Before you know it, you'll be creating thumbnails that pop and getting paid for it. But here's where it gets exciting. AI thumbnail design is just one of the 5 lazy ways you can make money with AI in 2025. And next, I'll show you another method that turns simple writing into cash, AI blog generation, where the machine does most of the work and you just guide the story. All right, let's move on to the next lazy but powerful way to make money with AI. AI blog generation. If you can type a few sentences and know how to ask AI the right questions, you can turn that skill into real income. You don't need to be a professional writer or an SEO expert. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy AI, AI can write blogs, articles, and website content faster than most humans ever could. Here's how it works. Businesses, YouTubers, and influencers constantly need content. They want blog posts that help them rank on Google, or now even inside AI search tools like ChatGPT's new browse mode. That's where you come in. You offer AI-written blogs that save them time and get results. The startup cost? Practically zero. The effort? Medium. You just need to know how to guide the AI. The potential? Huge. You can make anywhere between hundreds to $500 a day writing blog posts that take less than an hour each. And once you build a few clients, this can easily turn into a full-time income. Here's a simple 3-step system to get started. Model what works. Use free SEO tools like Ubersuggest or SEMrush to study what top blogs are ranking for in your niche. Create samples. Use ChatGPT or Jasper to write 2-3 high-quality example articles. Make them look clean, add images, and save them as PDFs or blog posts for your portfolio. Find clients. Go to LinkedIn, Fiverr, or Reddit. Offer your service to small businesses, content creators, or agencies who need regular blog content. And remember, this is not just about words, it's about storytelling. AI helps you write, but your human touch gives it soul. That's why clients will keep coming back to you. One of my friends, Tim, turned this exact system into a 6-figure business. He uses AI to turn podcast transcripts into SEO blog posts for companies and now makes over $100,000 a month. See, AI won't replace people who use it creatively. It replaces those who ignore it. Because in this new world, the smartest moneymakers aren't the busiest ones. They're the ones who know how to make AI do the busy work for them. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting and surprisingly lazy ways to make money with AI. Faceless YouTube channels. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to show your face, you don't need a fancy camera, and you don't even have to talk. AI can do everything for you. From writing the script to creating the voice, editing the video, and even generating visuals. Here's the crazy part. These kinds of channels are already making $10,000 to $50,000 a month just from YouTube ad revenue. You've probably seen them. Videos with a voiceover explaining a concept while images and clips play in the background. Some channels teach finance, some share stories, and others break down news or AI trends. They're simple, automated, and effective. So how do you start? Let me break it down step by step. Pick a niche. Choose a topic you actually like. Money tips, mindset, history, or even AI itself. The more specific, the better. Write the script with AI. Use ChatGPT to outline your video. Just ask it to write a 5-minute YouTube script on your topic. Refine it until it sounds natural. Generate the voice. Use tools like 11 Labs, Play, HT, or Synthesia to create a professional AI voiceover. You can even make it sound like you without recording a single word. Add footage and B-roll. Use Pexels, Pixabay, or Pictree AI to get visuals that match your script. AI video editors can automatically sync your clips and voice together. Upload consistently. Post 2-3 times a week. Remember, YouTube rewards consistency. Even if your first few videos get only 100 views, keep going. It compounds fast. The best part? Once you've made 10 or 20 videos, the algorithm starts working for you. Those videos stay online forever, earning passive income while you sleep. And here's a secret. Every video is a digital employee that works 24/7, never complains, and never takes a day off. You build once, and it keeps paying you over and over again. Now imagine stacking 50 or 100 of those videos. You're not just running a channel. You're building a digital asset, one that can make thousands of dollars a month without you ever showing your face. That's the real power of AI. It's not about replacing humans. It's about amplifying what's possible for ordinary people. AI isn't the future anymore. It's the present. And right now, the smartest thing you can do is stop scrolling and start building. Because the people who take action today will own tomorrow. The lazy way to make money with AI isn't really lazy, right? It's leverage. You're not working harder, you're working smarter. And when you let AI do the heavy lifting, you stop chasing money and start attracting it. So go ahead. Open your laptop, train your AI tools, and let the machines work while you build your freedom. Because in 2025 and beyond, the real winners won't be the busiest ones. They'll be the ones who learned how to make AI work for them.